Because I love you.
Oh, you guys are already here. I'm Joseph from Social Apartment, and I'm here in sunny Saitama at Films Wako, our brand new property. You might be wondering why I'm sitting here watching a movie. Well, that's because we decided to give residents their own private movie theater. Crazy, right? Let's go check it out. I'm standing in front of Films Wako, our most ambitious social apartment yet. This property has 123 rooms, and we wanted to give residents an experience they can't get anywhere else. Welcome to Films Wako.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this one, guys. Let's rewind it.
We really stepped up our game for this property and came up with a concept that would appeal to everyone. And who doesn't love a good movie? That's how the idea for Films Wako was born. As soon as you walk in, you got this awesome digital signage and you're greeted by the theater itself. The theater is so dope, let's save it for the end. So now we're gonna head to the lounge, but I wanna show you a few more common areas on the way. First off, we have the photo studio. We wanted to create a space where all of the innovative artists living at Social Apartment could unleash their creativity. The studio has a number of lighting options, as well as a proper backdrop so that residents can shoot photos like the pros. Next, we have a workout studio for all the yoga enthusiasts and anyone just trying to fit a workout into their busy schedule. And finally, an amazing working lounge. If you are one of the many people who work from home, this is an ideal place to get ahead. Grab a seat at one of the communal tables or the private booth and enjoy this quiet environment. Alright guys, now I want to show you the lounge. This is really something special. Just take a look around. You have this beautiful counter modeled after a real cinema box office and famous movie quotes pasted all over the walls so you can feel like you spend every day at the movies. Whether you're in a group or alone, you can kick back and relax on any of the designer furniture and take in the elegant atmosphere. The design of this lounge is without a doubt our strongest offering yet. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just a passionate enthusiast, I'm positive that you'll be able to enjoy your life here at Films Wako. So I know what you're thinking. Is one kitchen enough for so many people? You got no worries at all. There's 2 stations in the lounge, 5 stations here, state-of-the-art toasters, microwaves, convection ovens, plates, pans, anything you need, even this beautiful Le Creuset hardware. Smelling pretty good. The whole point of Social Apartment is to maintain a happy balance between your social and private life, meaning you've got to have a nice room as well. Luckily, our good friend Rio was kind enough to show off his room. Let's go check it out. So we got a really great, super spacious 14-meter square room here with super high ceilings. All the rooms in this building are facing south, so you get amazing sunlight. It's really comfortable for one person, definitely enough space if you want to have some friends over, you can totally accommodate them. Can't forget, got this great big closet for all your stuff.
What?
Who are you?
I just came back from Narnia. Serious?
Oh my god, did you know about that?
No. How long has he been in there?
Whatever. You wanna watch a movie?
Yeah, let's do it.
Nice. Alright guys, I know you've been waiting for this. It's finally time to unveil the theater. This place is really a dream come true. This is Films Wako. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is a legit cinema experience. You'll never find this at another share house, and we're actually the first company ever to do this in Japan. You might think we overdid it, but personally, and I think he would agree too, it's pretty awesome. The seating area of the cinema is super spacious as well. There's 16 seats, all from real movie theaters. I mean, these are the same things that they're using in the cinema up the street today. Now get a load on the specs in this theater. We've got a 3-meter squared screen. We have a professional projector that's providing 4K imaging, JBL surround sound. We also have Apple TV 4K, a PS4 Pro, and you can hook up any of your own devices so that you can watch anything you want, anytime. The idea behind this is that it's your private cinema. Of course, the door is always unlocked, so if you want to drop in on someone else's movie too, it's totally fine. So thanks for coming with me on this tour of Films Wako. If you need any more information, just visit our homepage, socialapartment.com, or you can just click on the link in the description below. Thanks guys, I gotta go. Movie start.
Sorry guys.
Yo.